After watching Adam Savage's show where he just had a jar full of sharp objects, I thought he needs a bin to put his sharp objects in. Over the years, because of having Coco, which is laying down watching me do this, I have always had baby wipes around. I think that's just being a crafter. So I would have these empty containers, and then I started putting razor blades in them because that makes it more safe. So I decided to make an Adam Savage Sharp Objects storage bin. That's what I wanted to do. So I started doing it, and got out my Cricut, and Coco's just sleeping on me. I mean, for really, she just sleeps. She's supposed to work with me. She's laying down, sleeping. So here I am, with the Cricut, with the neon orange, and I wrote out Adam Savage Sharp Objects, and then I applied it to the bin of diaper wipes, which is the Huggies, because they have a really cool little area where it closes shut and it makes it safe. So I suggest go buy a Huggies diaper wipe bin and put all your sharp objects in it and save your fingers and from other people getting hurt. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.